This is our site at Grand Forks Air Force Base, and there's the restrooms right over there, and huge spaces, nice table. Some of them over by the fence have fire pits and grills. And if you notice, the moon is up. It is 10 o'clock at night, 1st of July, and it's still light outside. There are more sites along the fence. Seems like everybody picks those ones first. They have more trees and a grill and a picnic table. I don't think you can beat this site here. On Grand Forks Air Force Base. Look at all the greenery, green grass right there. All open space. Take the dog out. Those are all the spaces along the fence. Here's the laundry room and showers and bathrooms. There's 2 showers in there. There's only 1 washer, 2 dryers. Here we are in our comfy little spot. This dog park at Grand Forks Air Force Base is Shelby's favorite dog park ever. She hasn't stopped moving and hunting since we've been here. There's chipmunk holes, dog agility things, trees, fresh water. It's huge. They have plenty of dog bags. Grassy and mowed. Can't get better than that. Nice job. I am sure I am probably the only person that recycles, because I really feel like I am. Every time I go somewhere, I'm always looking to find that elusive recycling container. This is on base, and I don't think they recycle here anymore. I think it was in like the 70s maybe, and there's these recycling things all over in the parks, but nowhere else. So here I come with all my recycling. Cans, trash, plastic, and bottles.